welcome back. Before we can do the surface development, as I said, we need to find the true length. So I'm going to show you how to find the true length of an oblique pyramid or oblique cone. But I'm starting with this one first. So what we need to do first is I'm going to call this point. I'm going to call it point A. Then we number this point. This is point 1. So this point is point 2, 6. So let's call it 1 prime, 2 prime, 6 prime. And this point here is point 3. So 3 prime, 5 prime. Then this will be point 4 prime here. Okay, now we need to find the true length, and I'm going to show you how you can find the true length. So to find the true length, true length is what we are going to make use of to develop this the surface of this object. So it's very, very important that you know how to find the true length of an oblique cone and also oblique pyramid, as I'm going to show you here. So what you need to do is that put the midpoint of your compass here and to adjust this. Okay, so put the midpoint of your compass at this point A here, and you extend it to 1 prime here. Okay, you extend to 1 prime, then you draw an arc like this. So just to touch this horizontal line. So wherever it touches this horizontal line, so it touches it here, just call what? Just call it 1 here. So then we are going to draw a line from this point 1 to touch the apex of the pyramid. So this is it. So this is the true length. So this is the true length. So the next one that we are going to do, we need to get for each and every one of these line points on the base of the pyramid. So we extend to 2, 6 here, 2 prime, 6 prime. Then you draw an arc like this. So you draw an arc like this just to touch the horizontal line. Then, so we are going to draw a line from here like this. Okay, so here we are. So we have 2, then we have 6. So this same point here. So the next one that we are going to do is to put a point at point A here, and we extend to 35. So we extend to 35 here like this, and we draw an arc like this. Okay, so I need to extend the horizontal line. I need to extend it. So I'm going to extend the horizontal line, so like this. Okay, so it touches it at this point here. So we join this together with the apex of the pyramid like this. So this is the true length for line 35. So this is 3 and 35. Okay, so the last one is that of 4. So you put it at point A again, and you extend it to 4 prime here, and then you draw an arc like this. So you take it easy. Okay, so wherever it touches here, so this is point 4. So this is point 4. So we connect this together with the apex of the pyramid. So all these lines that we have here, they are the true length. They are the true length. Okay. Alright, so this is the true length. So we write TL. So true length. So those are the true length. All these lines are the true length. Alright, now that we have obtained the true length, so we go for the surface development. So just come up a little bit like this, and we draw a horizontal line. So like this. So draw this horizontal line. Then we are going to call this point, we call it point O here. Okay, so as we have for the apex here. So the next thing that we are going to do, you take the longest true length, which is for 04 that we have here. So take the longest true length with your compass like this. Then you take it, put it at point O here, and you draw an arc like this. So you draw an arc. Now So next thing that we are going to do is that we need to know where we are opening from, and I'm opening from this O1 prime. So that's where I'm opening from. So which means this O1 prime is the seam. That is where we cut the object and we open it. Okay, so that means if I'm cutting it from here, I'm going to have one here. Then I need to locate the next one. But before that, so what we need to do is that, so we take distance O2 as 1 and 2 on the base, or you take 2 and 3. So the length is the same. So just take this distance like this. And then, so you make 6 arcs on this line, on this arc here. So this is 1, this is 2, so this is 3, so here is 4, then we have 5, so the last one is 6 that we have here. Alright, so let's number it. So this is 1, we are going to have 1 here. So then this is 2, so here is 3, so we have 4, so we have 5, and this is what this is 6 here. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is to join this point together with the apex of the cone. So we join together with the apex of the cone. So you join this. Also you join this together with the apex of the cone. Then we also join this together with the apex of the cone. So we join this together, and then so we join this together like this. Alright, so having done this, the next that we are going to do is that we now begin to take the true length. So for O1, so you take distance from here to here, which is the true length. So you take this distance from here to here. As I said that we are using the true length to make the surface development. So you take this distance from here to here. So you bring it here, put it at point O here, and you make an arc on line 1 on this side, also on this side here. Then we take true length O2, 6, O2, 2 and 6. So you take this, so you put it at point 2 here. At point O here. So you make an arc here, and also you make an arc on 6 like this. Then next is we take O35, so which is this one. So you take it like this, which is the true length. So put it at this point O here. So I make an arc on 3 and also on 5. So we don't have to take that of 4 because we have used the longest one to produce this arc. So it means that distance from this point O here to 4 is equal to distance O4 here. Okay, so that means this is the end. So we are joining everything together. Okay, so this point, we are connecting them together with a straight line. Alright, so we connect this together. So you connect this together with a straight line like this, and also you connect this together. Then we connect it together with this. Then we connect this together. We also connect this together. Then we connect this together. Alright, so then you make this line a thick line because these are the edges. So this line, make it a thick line. This line also, so make it a thick line. So this line, make it a thick line. Then we also make this a thick line. This line, make it a thick line. Also this line, so make it a thick line. Then this line, make it a thick line. Alright, so this is the surface development of this oblique pyramid, as simple as I've done it here. Thank you and keep on practicing. God bless you.